Kia ora, welcome to Bus Days. Today I'm going for a drive in the bus. Well, this is pretty damn exciting. First trip out in the bus since I got it home. We're up to the engineers to get him to have a look at putting some seatbelts in. See if it moves. Vehicle here. Well, that was pretty uneventful, but driving a bus around Auckland is stressful. Today we're not bus days, we're stress days. But we'll get home. All goes to plan. So I went to the engineering firm, talked to the director, and he's going to arrange for the engineer to come and see me. Here to have a motorhome in New Zealand, you have to have seatbelts for as many beds as you have. So we're going to essentially make a two-berth bus, which means we need two seatbelts, and our seatbelts have to be certified by an engineer. So I get an engineer to design the mounting, get the engineering company to build it all and install it, and then the engineer will sign off the seatbelts as safe, and we'll be set there. The other thing we need to hire a professional for is hooking up the gas. That needs to be installed by a professional gas fitter and certified, and if go for shore power, that also needs to be certified and installed by an electrician. So I'm doing all the things that I can do, and we'll leave the legal stuff for them. So while I was out, I stopped at the hardware store and picked up some timber. It's handy having a bus because I can fit 5 metre lengths of timber in the bus no problem at all without having to cut them. And that will soon be framing for our bed. The bus has gone well. It was a little bit hard to start today. Hasn't liked sitting there that much, but now that it's had a bit of a run, it's running nice and smooth, starting easy. Blowing very little smoke under full load, so I'm pretty happy with it. But it's big. I forgot how big it is, and it's quite hard work to drive. But hey, I'm out in the bus, and don't often get to say that.
Well, thanks for watching. Bit of a wasted trip to the engineer, but it was really nice to go for a drive in the bus. So, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. Take care.